Hey guys, it's makeup tutorial time again.
Okay.
Hey Hotmess fans.
Oh my god.
Yes!
I got bipolar disorder. My shit's not in order. I'm overweight.
Very, very simple. I use this. Camera cut out again. Hey Hotmess fans. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be talking about micellar water. Today I have the Wet n Wild makeup remover. It says makeup remover, but it's kind of like that micellar water that everybody has. You can tell it's got like the kind of different substances. I don't know what you want to call it. Liquid in there. I don't think it says, yeah, it's a micellar cleansing water for eyes, lips, and face. All-purpose bi-phase micellar cleanser gently and effectively removes even the most stubborn waterproof mascara. Let's just talk about the packaging. This only has 2.88 fluid ounces, so it is a smaller package. I got this for $4.99, but you flip it up, and it's one of those where you put like a cotton round on it, and then you just push down, and the cotton round soaks up. Now, I don't know if it's my particular product or if it's with every one of them, but you can kind of see that there's a little pulling. That's probably why they have that little well there. I also know that when I do pump it, I've got to do like maybe 4 of them to get my cotton pad pretty, not soaked, but like some product in there. I love the idea. I love how convenient it is. You just pop it. But it seems every once in a while that gets a little messy. They do have an open and close on here, so maybe for traveling or something so it doesn't leak. I keep it open because it's just on my vanity, but I love it. I love it. I would probably buy this again if I had to in a pinch. I like my Garnier, so I'll probably stick with this, but I love the packaging. I love that Wet n Wild is stepping up yet again on something else, and I will continue. Oh, and on another note, I just got this, and I think I've used it maybe 5 times, and it's already like really low. Like when I first used it, it went down to about ½ an inch, and it seems like every use, because I use it mainly for my eye makeup, and then I go back and then wipe everything else down. I don't have any makeup on now, or else I could show you, but it's like any other micellar water. There's nothing extra special about it, other than that it's from Wet n Wild, and that the packaging is it's kind of cool. So I definitely, I love it. I wish they were bigger though. I wish there was a bigger size, kind of like what's going on with this one. Maybe if they could do a bigger bottle like that, I would totally grab it. And you do also have to shake it a bit before you start, so it gets that emulsification there. I hope that helped you out in determining if this was something that you wanted to go check out. I definitely would recommend this to a friend, especially for the price point, if somebody wants to check it out. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you are new, if you like this video, and I will see you next time when I have something on my mind and I want to give you my 2 cents. Bye guys.